Counting, weighing and dosing of stick-shaped products. These are the strengths of Hastomat. Hastomat offers you many different applications for packing stick-shaped products. In the following, we would like to present various possible solutions from the areas of foodstuffs, pet food and technical products. Packing of stick-shaped foodstuffs has been our speciality for over 35 years. Typical examples for these products would be pretzel sticks, sesame sticks, extruded sticks, chocolate, bread and pastry sticks, but also coffee and instant sticks, salami snacks, gingerbread, lollipops or any other types of stick-shaped food product. Immediately after the production process, customer and product-specific transport, conveying and transfer systems by Hastomat ensure highest possible efficiency. Your stick-shaped products are being fed into the packing process gently and reliably. In the lower performance segment and for simple applications, single and multi-lane linear weighers are used. This enables us to offer robust and economic, fully automatic packaging lines for processing several hundred kilograms of product per hour. In the middle and upper performance segment, we offer the perfect solution for packing stick-shaped products with the Hastomat machine combination, consisting of a combination weigher and form, fill and seal machine. Gentle, but at the highest capacity of up to 120 bags per minute and packing weights of up to 400 grams, this is the most economical method to pack, for example, pretzel sticks. With reduced drop heights, product-optimized transfer elements, exact synchronization and wear-free drive mechanisms, you can reduce your production costs. This machine combination can also be used for other products, like coffee sticks or salami snacks. Here, products are counted exact to a single item in a special counting mode and processed in upright or lying orientation to the following packaging machine. For exact synchronization with vertical orientation of the products, we apply various transfer systems, split cascades, rotary plate transfer systems. Pivoted transfer systems allow horizontal packing, for example in a flow wrapper or a cartoner. This high flexibility allows us to fill almost any type of package, not only tubular bags, but also cans, boxes or trays. For especially gentle packaging of easily breakable stick products like chocolate sticks, we can offer you another speciality. The counting lines of the ZA series can sort and portion these or similar products exact to one item. A pole-nose belt conveyor transfers the sorted sticks to the product feeding belt. The multi-stage transfer system ensures synchronized transfer to the bucket conveyor. Now the sticks are fed into the counting station with storage bins. 3 of these quickly exchangeable storage bins for 100 sticks each feed the 3 counting stations. In case of a film change on the form, fill and seal machine, 2 additional buffer carriages can preliminarily store approximately 6 minutes worth of production. A counting belt now gathers these sticks and separates them one by one. An integrated breakage recognition system ensures that faulty or damaged sticks are automatically sorted out. The counted portions are now transferred into the bucket conveyor through a synchro bin and transported gently to the packaging machine. These are only a few of the examples of how stick-shaped products can be packed reliably and economically with packaging machines by Hastomat. Of course, all Hastomat machines are also suitable for dosing and packaging pet food. It is unimportant if these products are to be weighed or counted. Both are possible. Here also, counting lines, for example for cat or dog sticks, are used. A further speciality is the packing of technical products. Hastomat can offer you many interesting solutions for this sector as well. Apart from the usual systems for bulk goods, especially stick-shaped products usually require very flexible and customer-specific constructions. This is exactly our speciality. No matter if the items to be processed are nails, plastic roll plugs or cartridges, or metal parts like welding electrodes or soldering sticks, we can offer you a bespoke concept for any of these and many other stick-shaped products. Reliable, economical and flexible. Automatic packaging of stick-shaped products is a specialized job. Hastomat is the leading specialist. We offer complete solutions for transporting, conveying, feeding, storing, transferring, weighing, counting, sorting and packing of your stick-shaped products. This means that you will receive the perfect complete solution from one source, no matter if the product shall be counted or weighed. You only have one company contact with full project reliability. Our solutions will secure your competitive advantage. Hastomat, your partner in packing stick-shaped products.